How to make dual app on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide I'll walk you through the steps on how can you make dual apps on Android. To create a dual apps on Android, you could either utilize a built-in feature if your device supports it, and or else you could also try installing a third-party applications like Parallel Place or Dual Space. So if you also have a feature in your Android device, then you could actually use the split screen feature. For that, you could actually access it from the settings. So you want to go to settings, and here you simply want to go ahead and type in split screen, or you could go to system and locate it. So if you're able to find it, you could go ahead and use that built-in feature, or else if you're not able to find it, so then you could simply go to your respective app store, and then on the search box you want to type in dual space, and you could actually go ahead and click on dual space multi-account, or you could go with other applications that's available. So this way you'll be able to use a dual app on your Android. You just simply make sure to install it, and that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.